Hello everyone, welcome to Manny Pagan travel channel. If you like travel, if you like this type of content, I'm going to ask you right now to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Currently, I am in Aguadilla, Puerto Rico, in Playa Rescate. I believe that's the name of this beach. This is the parking lot, and really nice beach for surfing, but this is not our final destination. This is basically Surfers Beach. We are going to go to Survival Beach. So we're literally right here. We are going to do this whole trail to get to Survival Beach. It should be really nice place to take pictures and possibly enjoy the water if it's at low tide. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that, but we're gonna check it out. So we have to hike. It's gonna take around 40 minutes to hike all the way over there. Remember to stay hydrated. Remember to wear closed-toed shoes and stay on the trail. So let's do it. We're about to go over there right now. Come follow me. All right, so as we come in, it already looks like a little jungle next to the beach. Got my cousins here with me. There's Bernie, and we got Jeff back there too. Now Bernie lives here, you know, he's from here. Yeah. He's the one that would call me a gringo. Yes. Even though I'm Puerto Rican.
I'm a gringo too.
You too are a gringo. No, you're definitely a gringo. Nice. All right, you get to a point where you actually have to bend down under these branches in order to continue. Everything okay?
Yeah. Very strong.
Yeah. We're getting there, we're getting there. Always right? Or we're here?
It's same.
So we're here.
Let me see the map.
He's gonna verify.
Right.
We gotta go to the right.
Yep.
All right. By the way, if you want to book him as your tour guide to the world, Hibaro Traveler, follow him on Instagram, the Instacracks and the face of the books. He can get you a really nice package to wherever you want to go. He's a world traveler, but he lives in Puerto Rico. So there you go. And I think we have survived the Survival Beach. Ooh. How gorgeous this is with the formations, rock formations. Look at that. You can see some caves up there too. What a beautiful spot. Okay, so there is a little more that we have to do. So this is where you're going to basically go into the first area that you're really going to see once you go through the 15-minute hike. I said 40, but there's still more to go. We go through here, and then we're going to get to the other side of this, and you're going to be able to see all the really nice rock formations from the other side, and you can take better pictures that way. So that's what we're going to do right now. So we're headed up this way, and we're doing what we need to do to get there for you guys. This is for you. It's not for me. This is for you. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's large rock formations. It's only 3 hours away from New York, guys. 3.5 hours to be exact from New York. What are you waiting for? Hop on a plane right now. All right, guys, so we're here. It's got a little cloudy. Hopefully we don't get that rain, but we're gonna have to cross through here. It's a little strong, but I think we'll be just fine. Oh yeah, Puerto Rican waters. Ooh, wow, look at that. Wow. That is impressive. Yes, sir. Good job, good job.
La foto es linda aquí.
Put my stuff away before the sea takes it. Dang. Look at that beauty. Guys, every view that you get from this place is absolutely amazing. It's gorgeous. Oh man, I can't believe I never came here before. I can't believe I've never brought my wife here. She's probably gonna be upset when she sees this, but man, this is amazing. Guys, this is in Aguadilla, Puerto Rico. If you're a good hiker, it's only gonna take you 20 minutes to get here hiking. I thought it was gonna be 40, but completely wrong on that. Guys, this is gorgeous. And you know, you can actually get in the water here if it's decent. You know, it's rough, but you know, if you're a good swimmer, you don't have to go so far. You can stay in this area and enjoy it. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Get shots from anywhere, any angle here that you look at, you get an amazing shot. So why not? Why not? What do you think? What do you think? Yeah?
Yeah.
Brings tears to your eyes? We survived. Survival. But my drone did not. Too much wind in the little cave.
Bad driver.
And a little bad handling too. So I can't blame it all on the drone, but the drone was moving too much. So I gotta learn to fly in an open space when there's a lot of wind. But it is what it is.
Tell them what to wear. You're
Oh,
a
yeah.
bad driver, man. Tell them not to wear these.
Oh yeah, don't wear these.
Yes.
I mean,
I left my sandals at home.
how terribly sad.
You need to learn to ride the drum, man. You are too bad.
All right guys, so that is it for this beach and this video. So remember, like always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, so that way we can always push this content out to the YouTube algorithm and everyone can enjoy this amazing content. Take care, guys.